How can I minimize distractions during a test environment? Have you ever found yourself struggling to concentrate during a test? It can be tough when distractions pop up all around you. Let's talk about how to create an environment that helps you focus and perform your best. First, think about where you take your test. A quiet, low-traffic area is ideal. This means fewer interruptions from people or noise. If you can, consider using noise-canceling headphones or earplugs. These can block out background sounds. If complete silence feels uncomfortable, try playing soft sounds like rain or white noise. Next, keep your workspace organized. A clear desk can help reduce visual clutter. Only have essential materials in sight. This way, you won't be tempted to get distracted by unnecessary items. If you have a phone, turn it off or put it away. Electronic devices can be a big distraction. If you are using a computer, disable Wi-Fi to avoid notifications or the urge to browse the internet. Setting boundaries is also important. Let others know that you need uninterrupted time for your test. Mentally prepare yourself to focus solely on the task at hand. Time management techniques can be helpful too. The Pomodoro method is a great option. Work in focused intervals, like 25 minutes, followed by a short break. This can help maintain your concentration and reduce mental fatigue. Before starting your test, engage in a brief, enjoyable activity. This can boost your motivation. Also, plan a small reward for yourself after completing the test. This gives you something to look forward to and encourages sustained effort. Physical comfort matters as well. Make sure you have good posture while sitting. An ergonomic chair and proper lighting can help prevent discomfort that might distract you. Lastly, practice focused study strategies before the test. Techniques like active recall can build your confidence and reduce anxiety. Remember, anxiety can be a distraction in itself. By following these steps, you can create a test environment that minimizes distractions. This will help you stay focused and perform at your best.